I'm a mom of 4 kids, and I'm also a business professional and am the president of the Broach Schools. So one day I go to lunch and I think I've just had too much caffeine because my heart is kind of racing as I'm driving back to my office to go back to work. And you know, it doesn't really go away. Got a doctor's appointment with a cardiologist, and he said, yes, you have atrial fibrillation. So one of the most difficult things about AFib is that you never know when it's going to hit. It's the unknown. It's the uncontrolled part of my life that I was in control of, you know. But I was like, I'm sure I can just manage this because I've learned to manage whatever else you throw at me. Before AFib, I did a lot of traveling as well. Nothing stopped us from doing anything.
Kathy came to me. She was referred by one of my partners. She'd been having AFib for some time. They tried medications. She continued to have fatigue intermittently, some shortness of breath, and her heart would skip beats. She'd feel palpitations. We decided we were going to go forward with an AFib ablation.
I'm like, okay, good, I'm ready to go. And we did it.
We use a needle to access a vein in their leg to start some IVs. We use one of the catheters called the ablation catheter that heats up at the tip to cauterize areas in the heart that are responsible for the atrial fibrillation.
It's very minimally invasive, and the recovery is minimal. And for me, it ended up, I never had another day of AFib.
The earlier you treat atrial fibrillation with ablation, the better your results are going to be. You
almost don't realize how much it had been affecting you before until you don't have it anymore, and you're not having to subconsciously think, oh, am I going to have AFib if I do this? Like my husband didn't want us to travel. It was wonderful to be able to go back and not, after ablation, I could go do those things. You just go back to living your life. You go home and you're like, wow, I'm a whole other person.